Hi, welcome to Create with Fran. Today I am making a delicious no-bake blueberry cream pie, and it's perfect for summer. So earlier I had made my homemade blueberry pie filling and I let it cool completely. So now for the creamy layer, I'm whipping together 1 cup of cold whipping cream, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of instant vanilla pudding powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and then I'm going to beat that with my hand mixer here until I get some soft peaks. Now, if you wanted a lighter uh, cream, you could only add 2 tablespoons of the vanilla powder, and also that would give you a fluffier, peakier, higher peaks, or a lighter. That would give you a lighter whipping cream. I wanted more of the puddingy texture flavor for mine, so I'm using the 3 tablespoons. You could also use icing sugar in place of the vanilla pudding powder, and that would give you the thicker whipping cream, and it would just be sweet without the vanilla flavoring. So before adding all of the whipped cream, I stir in 1 large spoonful of it into my blueberry filling. And this lightens the filling up and it'll make it the next step go easier when I fold it in. So I gently then fold in the remaining whipped cream into the blueberry filling. I don't completely mix it in because I want those little ribbons or pockets of whipped cream throughout the pie. So once everything's combined, I then spoon that into graham cracker crust. Now you can certainly make your own graham cracker crust. I'm just using a ready-made one to keep things simple today. And then you refrigerate the pie for at least 4 hours so it firms up before serving. This pie is so good. It's creamy, light, packed with blueberries, and just a refreshing summer dessert. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did, and thanks for creating it.